little show to the straight-up show. Well, today I'm going to explain you about a fascinating question. How does rain fall? Let's get into that question. In hot days, in oceans, rivers or lakes, water rises up. That process is called evaporation. When the water rises up, it forms a cloud. Then more and more water comes to the cloud. Then finally, when the cloud is full, it bursts. Then the water rises up. The cloud travels by the help of a wind. Then when the cloud travels, it could burst anywhere, in a desert or in a forest or in a large city. Rain commonly falls where there's a lot of trees, bushes and plants. Before the water rises up to the cloud will be white and hot. But when the water rises up, the water will be sticked on the cloud. Then, when too much water comes, the cloud will be cool and dark. Then it bursts. Do you know how thunderclouds form? When two clouds collide together, it forms a light and a big sound. When these two clouds collide together, it forms an electric charge. Because of the electric charge, it forms light. Do you know where is the highest rainfall in the world? It is in India. Shocked, right? Do you know where? That is in Mamadou in Meghalaya. Do you know where is the highest rainfall in Kerala? It is Nerimangalam, also known as Tirupati of Kerala. Do you know why? Tirupati was the highest rainfall in the world before Mamadou. Well, looks like the rain has finished. Hope you learned something new in today's episode. Before going, hit that subscribe button, notification button and like.